We've got 4 of these Adams English Scenic cereal bowls, 6 3/8 inch diameter. Then I did make these in a bigger scale up, so do make sure you're looking at the right diameter. These are the smaller of the 2 versions made by Adams. Nice gadrooning around the rims. They're in very good condition, as you can see. The transfer wear, hardly a mark on the bowl surface. In fact, I don't think these have been used at all. Period Adams English Ironstone marks, English Scenic. Decoration completely underglazed, acid and detergent proof. There is some glaze crazing, as you can see on these, age-related little cracks that occur in the glaze. The actual plate surface isn't affected. That one's much better. That one again has been affected, some glaze crazing, and the 4th one the same. So do be aware of that, but that's almost universal in the majority of Adams from this period. These are early 1950s, 1960s examples rather than the later versions. Very nice, early, small cereal bowls, Adams English Scenic, blue and white. Lovely design, lovely palpable rims, these with that irregular degrooning. It's really, really attractive. Got quite a bit of Adams English Scenic in this blue and white coming online. So do check the website for other pieces if you're looking for specific items. Thanks for watching.